Hello, what's up? Ali here, and on this video, we'll share how to install themes and other applications on your jailbroken PS4 on 11.0 and below. We'll also share one of the best collections of free themes that you can get online. Let us start first with how to install applications, and for that, the best place to get the best app is on the Homebrew Store itself. You will find the link on our description. Just open the link and it will automatically download the file. After downloading, let us go ahead and transfer the downloaded file on the root of our hard drive or flash drive. Just make sure that it's formatted with either FAT32 or exFAT. Now let us go ahead and insert this to our PS4. First, we'll have to activate our jailbreak. Then go to the gold head settings, package installer, and simply locate your file and install. Now before we can use this application, we have to be connected to the internet first. So go back to the setup internet connection, connect to your local Wi-Fi or LAN connection, and make sure you are properly connected. Then simply open the application. The application may need to update the first time you use it. So just let it update. And here, go to the Store App Groups. Choose Utility. And here you will find lots of applications you can install on your jailbroken PS4. We'll have a separate video showcasing the best applications you definitely must have on your PS4. For now, since we are here, let's take advantage of installing Items Flow Manager, which is one of the best applications you can never miss on your jailbroken PS4. Now to install, click on the application and choose Download and Install. Once you see this message, you can go ahead and access the application. This application will organize your games and other applications, as well as it can also restore missing games because of rebuilding database. Now let us go ahead and show you how we can install themes on your jailbroken PS4. You will find the link on our description of these mega collections of themes for your jailbroken PS4. We have here thousands of themes ready to be downloaded and installed on your PS4. Now let us go ahead and randomly pick a theme to install. Let's try this one. So say for example you want this theme. If you want to look at the preview, simply click on this one, then preview. If you want this theme, then click on the file beside it, this one. Then download. Then go to the downloaded file, extract the folder, you should see two PKGs on the extracted folder, number 1 and number 2. Let us go ahead and transfer this to our external hard drive or USB flash drive. Now let us go ahead and insert this to our PS4 and install the themes. Since we downloaded a PKG, we have to install it like a regular FPKG. So go to the golden settings, debug settings, and package installer, and install the two files. Start with the first PKG. Now on the second PKG, you will get this message. Simply click on Yes. Now after installing, go to the settings, themes, select theme, and simply apply the one that you have just downloaded. I think that we have downloaded the wrong theme. Now let us go ahead and download a different one. It seems that I have just downloaded the wrong theme, so I went ahead to download the right theme. So go back to the package installer, install the theme, Again, start with the first PKG, then the second PKG. Click yes. Go back to the themes. Then you can simply choose your theme. You can disregard the lock icon. Just go ahead and apply. Alright, so there you go. So that's how you can download and install and change themes on your jailbroken PS4. Unfortunately, this will only work on jailbroken PS4 since the format is FPKGs. So you have to jailbreak your PS4 first to be able to take advantage of these thousands of free themes. So this will be it for now. If you have any questions or suggestions, please go ahead and share them on our comment section and I will definitely address them. And again, my name is Ali. If you find this video helpful, please go ahead and like and subscribe. And I will definitely see you on our next video. Bye-bye.